Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Affleck exited the movie and seemingly left the DCEU entirely after saying that he could not crack the right story and subsequently lost any enthusiasm he had for the project. Still, Affleck is now slated to return in 2022's The Flash, but what that means for his character's future is unclear.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Robert Pattinson. In May 2019, Robert Pattinson landed the role of Bruce Wayne for the upcoming Matt Reeves-directed flick The Batman. This meant that he was taking the reins from Ben Affleck, who had played the role since 2016's Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Despite issues surrounding both of his films, Affleck gave us a Batman we'd never seen before. Better to wait and see what Affleck would do with the role rather than jump to snap judgments. Judgment Day came in 2016, when Batman v Superman: Dawn of Justice hit theaters.
Let's help you make your mark.
The question is whether any of that will happen. As of right now, there are no confirmed plans for Leto to portray the Joker again in the DCEU, nor for the remainder of Snyder's 5-movie arc to be revived.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In an interview published Tuesday by the New York Times, the two-time Oscar winner said his struggles with alcohol, his divorce from Jennifer Garner, and a troubled shoot on Justice League prompted him to abandon the role of Bruce Wayne.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.